In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can swipe up on iPhone when VoiceOver is enabled. You can simply scroll down or up when VoiceOver is on in just few simple steps. To do this, let's enable our VoiceOver. So guys, if you're having trouble to scroll or swipe when VoiceOver is enabled, you will have to simply use your 3 fingertips at the same time. Tap to scroll at once. The same applies when you want to swipe up as well. To scroll up, still tap on your screen with 3 fingertips to scroll up at once. Hope that's helpful. That's how easy it is to swipe up and scroll through when VoiceOver is enabled on. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.